What's up everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to install OBS-studio on Linux for games or live streaming or just to record your screen. So for this video tutorial I'm going to be using Ubuntu Linux. So first we need to install ffmpeg, and ffmpeg consists of large collection of libraries and programs to handle video, audio and other multimedia files. So here's what we need to do. We need to open our terminal. And then in here, we need to type sudo apt install ffmpeg and then press enter. And then we'll have to type our password and then enter. And then press yes here. And if you get this message right here, unable to fetch some archive, we need to run apt-get updates and then press enter. Then second thing what we need to do, we need to install sudo add-apt-repository. So just type sudo add-apt-repository and then press enter. And all commands in this video I'll put in link in the description below. And also I'm going to add few more other commands for other Linux flavors. And then press enter here. And once it's done, now we need to type sudo apt install obs-studio and then press enter. And then press Y and enter here. And that's it. Once it's done, you can go back to your applications and then in applications, you're going to be able to see OBS-studio, it's installed. You can just click on it and it's going to start up and you can start using your OBS-studio. And there is also another way how to install OBS-studio. For example, in Linux, there is Ubuntu software store. And then in here, if you press on search, we can type OBS up top and then press enter. And you can see the App Store has OBS-studio and you can just install it from here. Just press on it. And if app's not going to be installed, then there's going to be probably installation button. But in my case, it's only remove button because I already have OBS installed. So for example, like this one, there's install button. And this is pretty much it. Two different ways how to install Ubuntu Linux. One of them is through the software store and second one using command line. And this is pretty much it. If this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.